Understanding Warm Meal, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and phrases. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, warm meal. This is a commonly used term, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. Warm meal is a phrase that seems straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. A warm meal typically refers to food that is served at a temperature between being hot and room temperature. It's not just about the temperature, though. This phrase also conveys a sense of comfort, homeliness, and often, freshness. Unlike a cold sandwich or a pre-packed salad, a warm meal suggests something more satisfying and nourishing. In many cultures, the idea of a warm meal goes beyond just the temperature. It often represents care, nourishment, and hospitality. When someone offers you a warm meal, it's not just about the food, it's an act of kindness and welcome. This phrase can evoke feelings of family, home, and comfort. Let's explore how this phrase is used in everyday conversations. You might hear someone say, "After a long day, all I want is a warm meal and a good night's sleep." Here, the warm meal is synonymous with relaxation and comfort. In another context, someone might say, "The shelter provides a warm meal for those in need," indicating the provision of basic comfort and care. Interestingly, warm meal can also appear in various idioms and expressions. For example, "the way to a man's heart is through his stomach," implies that a warm, home-cooked meal can endear someone to you. These expressions highlight the cultural and emotional significance of a warm meal in the English-speaking world. So, there you have it, a deeper understanding of the simple yet profound phrase, warm meal. It's not just about food that's mildly hot. It's about comfort, care, and hospitality. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you appreciate the nuances of English phrases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content.